Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we'll analyze ADA, that is Cardano's native token. We look at both ADA USDT and Beta BTC pair. And before we begin this video, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. So let us begin today's video. And guys, it will just take 1 minute. But if you are not following me on Twitter, kindly follow me on Twitter, as on Twitter I do a lot of interesting polls. I update constantly. You can see this is the latest update about Bitcoin. I even did a poll on this ADA analysis. So a lot of times when I'm not able to make video, because I'm constantly on the move, I'm constantly on traveling, and you can see that on my YouTube shorts. I love to travel and I keep traveling. So if I'm not able to make videos on daily basis, which I do make as much as possible, but I keep updating it on my Twitter, and especially follow me on Telegram. There are a lot of things I don't update on Twitter, I update on Telegram. So make sure you follow me on Twitter as well as Telegram. The link is in the description. So now let us begin Cardano's analysis. And I have, if you see this, then Cardano recently have broken this downtrend, and since then it's going steadily upwards. This was the downtrend which it broke over here on 24th June, and since last 8 to 10 days, Cardano is steadily moving upwards. And you can see this also can be a rising wedge on the daily, can be something like this. That's also possible. But why I am making this video, I have one of the best indicators in my opinion that always give me confirmation whether the asset is bullish or bearish. And today I'm going to analyze only through that indicator. I use indicators very occasionally, very rarely, and indicators are always a way to confirm. They are not something that you immediately trade on, but as we say, they are indicators. They indicate a certain thing. So one of the indicators that I use, which is, and there are two kinds of indicators. There is a leading indicator and a lagging indicator. And as the name says, a leading indicators lead us towards a trend, and a lagging indicator is a lagging indicator. Hence, it is a confirmation. So they do not lead us towards a trend, but they confirm the trend. So one of the leading indicators, in my opinion, are exponential moving averages. And this green line that you see is a 21 exponential moving average. And I use it quite often to understand whether an asset is a bullish or a bearish asset trend. If you see this entire Cardano pump since November last year, it's always above 21 exponential moving average, and hence you can see that this entire pump, Cardano has never broken this 21 exponential moving average. You see this, and hence it's pumped crazily. And the moment it broke 21 exponential moving average, you can see it went sideways, ultimately coming down below this 21 exponential moving average. And in this 21 exponential moving average was acting as resistance this whole time. So from 7th June, so almost after a month, Cardano now is again back above this 21 exponential moving average. Hence, it's starting to look bullish on the daily. If we close above this 21 exponential moving average, then that would be a very bullish sign for Cardano. And I know that because the overall market is bearish, Bitcoin is bearish, and hence we cannot expect everything to pump like it used to since the beginning of 2021. But this is an extremely bullish sign. And Cardano is one of the most bullish altcoins out there. So I won't be surprised if Cardano starts pumping irrespective of the market conditions, because we need to look at the charts. Charts tell us everything. And that's why Cardano right now is bullish on the daily. There is a similar thing we can look at on the Cardano BTC pair also. Look at this. On Cardano BTC pair, it's again back to being bullish on the BTC pair. In fact, if you look at the BTC pair, this is the third daily candle above the 21 exponential moving average. In the USDT pair, today's candle would be a second candle. In the BTC pair, it is already third. It's already, we seen two corrections, and both the corrections have been about 21 exponential moving average. So on the daily, we are seeing Cardano flipping into bullish. In fact, we have a bullish confirmation also. So we can see this bullish continuation on the daily of it consolidating about 21 exponential moving average and ultimately pumping ahead. Also, one more thing that I want to show you on the BTC pair is that if you see, then this was kind of an inverse head and shoulder, and Cardano has broken the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. This is an inverse head and shoulder, and Cardano has broken the neckline. So if we look at the target on the Bitcoin pair, then we can see Cardano going as high as around 4,526 satoshis, 4,550 satoshis. This would be our target on the Bitcoin pair. So which from here is another 12% pump on the Bitcoin pair. So if it pumps on the Bitcoin pair, then we can expect it to pump on the USDT pair also if Bitcoin steadily keeps going up. I have just shared a Bitcoin video. I invite you guys to see that video. It is one of the very important videos on Bitcoin. And you know that Bitcoin automatically dictates the entire crypto market. So if the Bitcoin price is going to go down, generally speaking, everything goes down. Similarly, if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. So go and check out this Bitcoin video, which I have uploaded today. If you have not seen it already, then you will understand that if Bitcoin keeps steadily going up. I also shared about Bitcoin on Twitter just recently while recording this video, that Bitcoin since last 13 days is on a steady uptrend. Just look at this tweet. Bitcoin is on a steady uptrend since last 13 days. And if Bitcoin can keep uptrending in this channel for the next 2 weeks, then Cardano can also pump. Then I can see Cardano going at least till here in the immediate future. Let me, if 12% pump, then I think 30% pump on the USDT pair is not unreasonable at all. So Cardano can go and retest $1.8 to even $2 in this month if Bitcoin can keep steadily going up because of this Cardano BTC chart. Because on the BTC chart, Cardano is looking bullish on the daily, as we can see over here very clearly. And you see this, our inverse head and shoulders neck trend line is also going along with 21 exponential moving average. So these are multiple confirmations. We have inverse neck head and shoulders breaking out. We have 21 exponential moving average also, which is showing breaking out and flipping it as support. So Cardano is looking very bullish on the Bitcoin pair. And the same can also result on the USDT pair, because on USDT also it's looking bullish. And Bitcoin itself is looking on an uptrend since last 13 days. So a lot of factors are going into a small, we can see a small pump in Cardano of around 30 to 50% in the USDT pair and also on the Bitcoin pair. I will look at the immediate targets also for Cardano that I see would be important, and I will share it on Telegram and Twitter. So make sure you follow me there. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. Take care. Bye bye.